What are you saying? Okay, really? You're pulling it? Yeah, you got it. Put it on the floor.
Did you get a haircut?
There you go. Paw. You did it.
Ow!
Hey, what were you saying a second ago? Where you go? Go get it. Got it. Are you going to throw your monkey?
Pull it!
You got to pull it harder.
Don't pretend pull it.
Yay! Hey, watch this. Alright, now you do it. Do it. Hi, Shelly. You jumping? Hey, do your show the camera your move. Run and jump over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, go do it.
You know?
Yeah, go do it.
Yeah,
Do it. Did that one hurt?
Okay.
Do it again! Do it again, crazy!
Josh, spin around in circles until you fall down. Oh, you did. You hurt your belly. Spin around in circles. Okay, be easy. Go easy. Go easy. Yeah. Go easy so you don't hurt yourself. Just go easy. Yeah, go easy. Go easy. Go do it.
Do it!
Go do it. No, go do it. Throw your monkey over there. Go for it. Go do it. Did you take your monkey with you?
Hey, monkey!
There's your monkey.
Say bye-bye. Josh, look. Look at the camera, though.
Say see you later.
Camera, yeah. Oh, you're looking at the camera? What? Can you say bye-bye? What do you want? It's a camera. What are you doing? Are you going to use it?
Hello. Hi.
He says look at this side, silly. This side.
Say please.
Please.
Say bye.
Bye, David.
Bye-bye.